No, you can't go outside because you're wet. And you'll just go out and get dirty. No. Is that okay? Can you stay inside with me for a while? Don't roll your eyes at me. Moses, are you rolling your eyes? Huh? Can you stay in here? Will you lay down? Will you lay down? Lay down. Moses, go lay down. Good boy. All the way. Lay down. Moses, lay down. Go lay down. You're not minding very well. No. Are you looking for sympathy? Oh, that a boy. You want me to take your towel off? Hey. Should I take the towel off you? Did you feel better? Does that feel better? Moses. Hey. I love you. Moses. Hey. I love you. Good boy. You need a good home, huh? Yeah. You tell people you need a good home. Say, please adopt me. Oh. See, I'm so cute. Please? I'll lay here and let you rub my belly. Bye.